Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to turn off and turn on Google Play Protect on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Google or Android often updates their user interface, and if the options are different when you are watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Google Play Protect is a helpful security feature which checks the apps on our devices for any suspicious stuff. It prevents the installation of such harmful apps by scanning our device, but in some cases it will restrict us to install the apps we actually want to use, so we can pause or turn it off for the time being to install them. To do this, we have to take our Android smartphone and open the Google Play Store app. Make sure to log in using our required Google account here. Then we have to select the profile pic icon and go to Play Protect here. We will get a page like this. Here we can scan if we want. So to do this, we have to go to this gear icon at the top, and here we will have this scan apps with Play Protect option. We can disable this. We will get a pop-up like this, pause app scanning instead. So if you want to pause, we can select that, or if you want to completely turn it off, we can select turn off. I think this pause will be active for 24 hours. After that, it will start to resume the scan, but I would suggest pausing it because this is a helpful feature. So we can select pause if we want. We have to do the account verification. So after that, it will be disabled. Here we can see app scanning is paused. It will automatically turn on again tomorrow. So we can also turn this on back. And if you want to turn off, we can select turn off as well. That's all. And if you want to turn it on again, we can go to Play Store, this profile pic icon, Play Protect. And here we can see the option to turn it on. That's all. It will start to scan again. These are the steps to turn off and turn on Google Play Protect on our Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.